Today we have an easy-to-make, quick, and healthy recipe featuring red radish and rice. First, I'd like to say thank you for being a part of Afsan Farm Media Production Channel. Let's dive into it. Red radish and rice salad. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked rice, white or brown. 1 cup red radishes, thinly sliced. 1/2 cup cucumber, diced. 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: choose a large bowl, and combine the cooked rice, sliced red radishes, diced cucumber, chopped red onion, and some fresh cilantro. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil and lemon juice. Pour the dressing over the salad. Toss the salad gently until all ingredients are well combined. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Refrigerate the salad for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld. Serve chilled and enjoy your refreshing red radish and rice salad. Unlock a world of knowledge, inspiration, and entertainment by subscribing to our channel today, and join a community of curious minds on a journey towards limitless possibilities. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Afsan Farm's Kitchen. Associated with Afsan Farm Media Production.